Do smell
Oh,
it.
it's done. It's cooked.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who, and I am back, baby, with another video. Thank y'all for tuning in today, man. So you read the title? Yep, that's right. My $200 cost-efficient subwoofer is already broken. Actually, it's not broken. I kind of clickbaited a little bit. Not really. It's not really broken, but it is not functioning properly, and I'll tell you why. If you haven't watched the last video when I got this installed, my videos have kind of been out of order with everything going on, with my truck being broken into. So just bear with me. So when I first got the system put in, yes, Kevin said, hey, if anything go wrong, I'm thinking it might be the fuse. It may not be big enough to hold the power of this, the amp and stuff. I said, okay, cool. Literally like 2 weeks later, a week later, actually, my system just stopped working. So no sound, no bass, no anything. So I text Kevin, I said, hey man, the system's not working, anything like that. He said, hey, well, can you see if the light on the amp is on? So what light he's talking about, and I'll show y'all here. It's the light right there. And so I checked, I said, hey, no, the light isn't on. And he said, okay, check the fuse. So sure enough, it was a blown fuse. This is the light on top right there, that blue light. See how it's on? So that light was not working at all. He said, hey man, just run up to Best Buy or Car Toys to get a 80 amp fuse. So I looked on Best Buy, called them, they had it. Actually ordered the wrong one. I think I ordered a AVG, there was AUG, something like that, whatever. So it was the wrong one. So I checked Car Toys. Car Toys had it. Called them, of course, due to everything going on. They are closed. You can only get it online. So I ordered it, but now it's gonna take a week or two to get here. I told Kevin, hey, I ordered it, man, it's gonna take a while to get here. He said, okay, cool. Well, when all this stuff happened, when my car gets broken into, Kevin actually works at the shop where my tent gets, I get my tent done. So he was there. He took a look at it, he said, yeah, the fuse is blown. So he supplied me with another 60, right? And he like, just gonna hold you till you get your new system. Literally like the day I drove home, after getting my tent done with that 60 in there, it stopped working again. So you can see the light is on right now. But as I turn the volume up, as you will see here, I'm gonna show y'all. So what I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna cut it down low, and y'all can, it still rumbles. You're gonna see the light is steady blue, but I had to cut it because this is not copyright music. So just follow me.
I told you how do people see you that
now, when I turn it up louder than that, past a certain point, the light starts flashing blue, which basically means that the amp is being overpowered or there's not enough fuse. So watch this.
how do people see you that can burn the man?
Y'all probably saw a little flashing right there. So basically every time I turn the volume up too loud, the amp starts flashing. Let me check the fuse. So this is a new fuse that I put in, right? Let's see what we got. This is the new fuse that me and Justin put in. And as I can see there, it is not blown. Not sure if y'all can see. See how it's there? Well, still connected right there, the silver piece. Everything's still connected. So the fuse is not blown. So I'm not sure why when I turn the volume up, the amp goes out, like it doesn't feed the sub enough power. So what I'm gonna try to do, I actually got some new, I got the 80 amps here. They finally came in from Car Toys. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace the old 60 with the new 80, and hopefully that fixes our issue. And it's pretty simple to do this. I'm trying to set y'all up so y'all can see. My man Justin helped me last time.
I told you how do people see you that can burn the man?
So got it off. As y'all can see there, here's the old fuse. So we just go take that out, put the new one in. Here's the old fuse. It's still good actually.
Hey, Lord Jesus, I know I'm wrong. If you find favor upon me, could you please send me
Got it back tighten. New fuse is in, as y'all probably can see. So cool. So now let's go ahead and test it out. See if it works, gets us some distortion or not. And hopefully, finger crossed, that fixes the issue. Okay guys, so as you can see right now, the blue light is not flashing, right? It's steady. Not sure you can see. But still, when I turn the music up, it starts kind of flashing. So I'm gonna turn it up and just y'all gonna see it's flashing.
on me, okay, live from Aruba, Aruba.
Not sure if y'all saw that, but yeah, I had the volume up loud. I just cut the music off. Y'all see the light is still flashing, so that means that something's not right. Kenny originally said also, he said that amp that I have. So basically, Kenny said that that amp is like for door speakers and not for a sub. So I may have to go get another amp, a better amp, and have him do it. Just frustrating. I bought this amp based on what everybody else was saying on the reviews, that this was the perfect amp to pair with it, So yeah, that's why I got it, and it was recommended to buy together. But anyway, man, so Didn't fix the issue, still got issues, so I'm gonna text Kenny, let him know what's going on, see what he says. Hopefully we'll get everything straightened out, but I can turn the music low, but as soon as I turn it up high, the bass goes out and the amp starts flashing, so it means that yeah, I don't know. I'm not a system person. Hey, what's up everybody? So I'm not sure what day it is, how long it's been. It's probably been like 3 weeks or so since my amp stopped working, and basically it works, but I already explained all that. Anyway, so finally got a new amp that we believe should fix our issue here, and it's a still Pioneer. As you can see there, this is a mono class D amp, which is supposed to handle bass better. As I said and Kevin said, that the amp I got here, this one was mainly for like door speakers and things like that. So we got to upgrade the amp. Hopefully that fixed the issue. I'm about to head over there to Kevin right now. Also, we're gonna look into moving my moving my sub behind the seat here instead of underneath. A lot of you guys commented like, "Hi, why did you put it in the back?" And my main reason was if issues or something wrong, it'd be easier to diagnose right there on the seat as opposed to the back. But I don't know if Kevin has the material. It may need to be mounted back there. I'm sure I haven't been back there. I'm not sure how much space, whatever. So anyway, we're gonna take a look if we can do it. Hopefully we can. We'll move it. If not, no big deal. We'll just leave it. So I'm head over there right now. But yeah, shout out to my cousin. If you want about the shirt, that's right, sick. Shout out to my cousin, Trez. He runs his own business. So if you're interested in shoes or anything like that, man, go ahead, post the IG down there. Check them out. They sell all type of shoes, you know, J's, Yeezys, wherever you want, Nikes. If you're interested in that, definitely go check them out. Tell them Q sent you. But yeah, let's go.
Okay, ride for me, relax your mind, take your time with me. Had to grow up quick.
Look how many people out in the water today in the boat. Oh, what a boat! Y'all can see Q getting the boat. And y'all make sure y'all keep watching the videos, man. We'll get a boat one day, baby. Beautiful day, man. There's a lot of people. It's Mustang right here too. Super nice. Got a nice stance to it.
If it's me, I kind of like having the bass knob because once you get everything tuned in,
yeah,
you know, you'll have one song on that was recorded, 10 years ago,
yeah,
and you want a little bit more bass.
True,
and
true.
then Cardi B comes on, the bass is like
you want to turn it down.
So I like being able to real quick adjust the bass. If you had an aftermarket deck,
yeah,
you would have subwoofer controllers. You could do that.
Okay.
You don't have that.
Right, gotcha. All right, guys. So listening to y'all, we just tested trying to put the freaking amp behind the back seat, and it fit, but it got stuck because basically there's that bolt, 2 bolts back there. One needs to be trimmed down, and then there wasn't enough space for the seat to fold back up, so the latch got stuck. So I got a good cut on my finger, not a good cut, small cut, to show y'all. I was trying to reach back there and get it. Finally was able to get this to release some pressure and pull the amp back out. Anyway, so are we doing it or no? Are we gonna try to put it back here or no?
What, the woofer?
Yeah.
Well, I don't have the air.
You don't have it? Okay.
Yeah,
all right.
yeah.
So,
I could cut the material, but I can't cut.
Oh,
the
that's
bolt.
yours. Okay.
Yeah.
No, it's all good. So right now, for me, guys, I told Kevin about it last minute. We don't have the materials to do it. We just see it does fit. You just have to do some trimming and cut the bolts. But anyway, so it's going back under the seat, which is fine by me. Move it one day later, right? Anyway, we about to put the new amp in. Taking the old amp out.
I mean, if I had to bet, there's probably nothing wrong with this. It probably just doesn't like pushing the woofer.
Right. I did notice that the weight on this amp is a lot heavier. This new one.
The monoblock?
Yes, a lot heavier.
Yeah.
A lot heavier than the other one.
Yeah, 4 channels, like I said, they can be 1,000 watts, but the amperage is lower.
Yeah.
So the power supplies on the inside are smaller.
Yep.
They're not as heavy duty. They can't do, the same kind of work that a woofer amp can do.
Right.
They're perfect.
I don't know if I noticed the black on the rim here as well, the wheel. Oh yeah. So he just got. Yeah, it does. So he just got the grill here, black as well.
Along with those chrome ones for so long.
Yeah, it looks good.
He did a good job, man. He's no joke.
Yeah, he did. He did a really good job.
He mixes in a little bit of like a latex agent.
Okay.
Metal paint.
Yeah.
So it has a little bit of a flexibility to it.
Okay.
Because that's what typically when you see paint like chipping off a chrome, like a lot of people get their grills painted and you'll see like chips from bugs hitting it. He's like, yeah, they're just painting that shit with hard enamel and clear coat.
Okay.
He's like, chrome flexes and moves a little bit more than metal.
Yeah.
And even with like the heat and the cold, plastic kind of breathes. He's like, so you need to paint to breathe too. He said, you'll be good. He said, you'll be good at least till you sell that car.
I want to hear this thing start up, man.
Which one?
Shit, both of them. Which one's louder?
Oh, the Camaro.
Of Camaro?
Yeah, BMW's not far behind. I redid the exhaust too.
Yeah, I know. You told me you redid the exhaust. I want to hear it. But
I'll start her up for you.
You start up? Okay. All right, guys. So we got the new amp put in. All right, so you gonna go ahead and start the beamer up for me.
It's a little dirty right now, but that don't affect your dog too much.
No. Make sure I'm good. All right. Ooh, has a nice, low, clean rumble to it. Yeah. I like
Too
it.
obnoxious?
No, it's like a nice, clean, deep rumble. Yeah. It sounds good. I like that. Nice and clean. Nothing like, nah, you know.
Sounds when you drive it, if I leave it in gear, because it's a 6-speed,
Yeah.
so if I leave it in gear and let the RPM slow me down, it snarls and pops a little
Like,
bit.
pop, pop, yeah,
It gives
yeah.
that rasp.
Yeah. Oh, then it's auto down. Yeah, yeah. No, I like that. Nice, clean sound, man.
It still sounds respectable.
Yeah. Not obnoxious, loud. Let's see the interior. So y'all, I saw y'all last time, but the interior is just clean on this thing, man.
Try to keep it up.
Yeah. I like that. Nice, clean sound.
You can let it warm up. Tell you what though.
You better start this one.
I gotta start it once a week. The battery's gonna go dead.
How you gonna start the Camaro? Oh, holy shit. Wow. This thing sounds sick, man. System. This sounds good, man.
Imagine once I put the dumps on it.
Yeah.
Dumps?
Yeah.
It's gonna be shaking the whole ride.
Dude, I love the way this sounds, bro. Damn.
It sounds healthy.
Yeah, it does. It doesn't sound like a cam. Not really, but you know what I'm
It's got a
talking about.
mild hand in it.
Oh, it does. Okay. I hear it. So, yeah.
It's got like a street performer cam.
Okay.
It's not like a racing cam.
Okay.
But it's not stock. It's like in the middle.
All right. No, it sounds good,
It's
man.
alright.
Huh?
It sounds alright.
Yeah, no, this thing sounds good. And there's your system.
Oh yeah.
You don't have to turn it up because I got YouTube copyright. You only can play like YouTube music unless it's crazy.
Yeah, that's like Pearl Jam, but it's loud, man. It's I got components in the doors,
Yeah.
components in the back deck, and I'll show you the
Hold on. Yeah. Yeah.
It's fun.
That's dope.
It's fun.
Yeah, dude, that sounded good. Now your daughter gotta understand why this turn heads when she in it. That is
My daughter, it's embarrassing. Everybody stares at us.
no, dude, no. This is gorgeous.
So I'm not done with the trunk,
Oh,
but I relocated the battery. And if you look on the rear deck, there's the amp and the crossovers for the rear speakers.
oh shit, sure.
So that's a 1,000-watt Diamond Audio.
Yeah.
Separate crossover for each side. That's the right side. That's the left side.
Yeah.
And it's got Diamond Audio 6x9s under the rear deck. This woofer is just temporary.
Okay.
I'm actually going to put a Diamond Audio woofer to match the rest of the system, so it'll all be matching when it's done.
Yeah.
But I had this from the Lexus, so I popped it in there just to check for rattles and squeaks. When you turn it up, you know, it's like, oh, I need more dynamite here, I need more here. You hear all the rattles once you get the bass going.
I see what you're saying now too, like the thickness size of that power wire you saying? Yeah, I can see it. I see what you're saying now.
Yep, but that's a 1,000 watt channel.
Yeah.
If you were to pick up that amp, it weighs almost as much as a car battery.
No shit.
Yeah, like some amps you pick up and you're like, oh man,
I can see it.
That amp weighs about 10 pounds.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Shit. Man, that's some serious stuff in there, man.
This is probably gonna go in the BMW when I get around to it.
Okay.
I want to get an amp that I can fit inside the rear panel, like where the factory CD changer would go. So I can hide the rear amp, then it's gonna have like a woofer in there that I can take in and out when I need to.
Okay.
But that's just on the back burner. I'll get around to.
Yeah, get around to it. Yeah.
I'm gonna keep this for that, and this is gonna get a Diamond Audio.
Okay.
And once this gets the Diamond, black carpet. I'm just gonna carpet the whole trunk black.
Okay.
And that'll actually make the system sound better.
Oh yeah, like insulation.
It's good. Yeah, like whenever you go into a sound studio, even with the Dynamat, it sounds echoey.
Okay.
And I can hear like most people wouldn't, but my ear like I need carpet. You know, like my ear, it bugs me.
I got you.
So once I carpet the whole trunk, then I'll be able to retune the system, and then we're good.
Dude, this thing is gorgeous. This is gorgeous.
That's why we work.
I know, right? That's what it is, man.
Toys.
Can you rev this one?
Oh yeah, it should be warmed up by now.
Oh, okay. Oh, holy I didn't expect it to pop like that. Sorry, excuse my language, man.
BMW didn't want it to pop like that. I had to cut so much stuff off.
Man.
When I got it, I had the Dynan mufflers and the Dynan intake.
Okay.
Which is, you know, it's an aftermarket company that works directly with BMW for aftermarket performance.
Okay.
So it's got the best mufflers and the best intake, but all that factory sound deadening chambers in the middle of the exhaust, it changes the size and the flow of the exhaust note before it even gets to the mufflers.
Okay.
And they do that so when you're going down the highway, you don't hear your exhaust.
Like, just enjoy your ride. Right.
I don't care about that.
I want loud. Yeah.
I took it. They cut that stuff. They cut 4 chambers off of it.
Okay.
And welded a 3-foot, 2 3/4 inch pipe in its place. So instead of the exhaust changing direction and size 4 different times, now it's just
straight back.
Mufflers.
Okay, gotcha.
So the air flows. That's why the mufflers pop.
Yeah.
It's getting so much air to them now.
Yeah.
You know, before it was just unnecessarily slowing it down.
Yeah. No, I like this. It's like you said. It's y'all probably can hear it. Nice, clean lip, but when you get on it, it's
exactly.
It's
Just
loud.
driving down the road,
you don't hear it, but when you step on it,
when I take off, if I take off and bring it up to like $6 or $7 grand, man, you can hear it a mile away.
I can tell. I can tell just from that rev. I'm like, okay,
People are always like,
what was this?
What just drove by? No, it wasn't that black Beamer.
It was fucking Batman. Oh man, that's cool. Appreciate you doing it, man. All right, guys. So got everything all done. Got everything put back. Kevin did tell me we got the input in. Everything sounds working good. I will tell you that that amp has changed the way the subwoofer sounds. It sounds a little cleaner. And this is a mono class D amp. Some of you guys who know system guys in the comments, I know y'all know. This seems like it's pushing better than the other amp, which was, he said, mainly for like 4x6 speakers or something like that. Anyway, don't quote me exactly. That's not exactly what Kevin said, guys. This is just me trying to reiterate. So he did say that take the wire, my power wire, run into the battery. If like it's wrapping and shrinking, that means it's getting too heat. It's melting from the inside. We need to go a thicker power wire. But he said this should be enough to handle 80, whatever he said, something like that. But anyway, so he did tell me to be on the lookout for that. All right, guys. So
I'm gonna back up so you can see it.
I'm on my way home. The sub stopped working, so I called Kevin. He said, bring it back over. So we just took the sub spot. Hopefully, y'all can see this thing is it stopped smoking. This thing, it is smoking
in there.
Yeah, this thing was freaking smoking. So you think I do smell it?
Oh, it's done. It's cooked.
Is it?
It's cooked. Yup.
Damn. All right.
It's cooked.
So
I was hoping it would just be a connection.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
So yeah, I smell it. So as soon as we opened it, guys, it was smoking. You know. So.
At least you know that amp is strong enough for it.
Yeah. So the amp was fine. So I had to send it back to Amazon. Be like, hey, I only had this thing. I'm sending the amp back too, man. I only had this for like what, 2 weeks, and yeah. So anyway. I'm just having bad luck with this. So I take my video back. If any of you bought this, don't install it. Send it back. Well, I might just be having bad luck, you know? A faulty brand. Is this a good brand, Kevin? Pioneer?
It can be.
Yeah.
Flat woofers are hit or miss. Flat woofers are not my favorite items.
When you say flat, you talking about like the box?
The mounting depth.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
When you take this woofer out, it's only like 3 inches deep.
Oh, okay.
So this woofer is designed for shallow mounting.
Yep.
And typically those woofers are not as good, not as durable as a regular depth woofer.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So I might go. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm trying to send this back. Just having bad luck with it. I mean, it was smoking, man. So when it's smoking like that, I mean it's just fried. Yeah. He said, yeah. I literally on the way home, it was working. It just went out, and then we pull it out, and yep. So anyway, yeah.
If it was a ported box, you would have smelled it in your truck.
Really?
If the box had a vent or a port on it, you'd call it woofer the smoke while you were driving it.
Okay.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay. So anyway, I'm gonna try to send this back to Amazon because I literally only had this thing for like only played like 4 days total since I had it, I think. And we're gonna send it back, see if they take it back. They better take this shit back. And then maybe get something new. I don't know. Anyway, I'll catch y'all next one. Peace.